Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious salmon stuffed with some crab meat. So for this you are going to be needing a piece of salmon. It does not matter what size, it all depends on how much of this you want to eat. Make sure before you start cooking it you strip the scales off the back of your salmon and wash it with some lime and rinse it with some cold water. You need some fresh parsley that I will be chopping. And here I have 1 tablespoon of avocado mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. You need the juice of 1 lemon. And I have some Tabasco sauce that I will be using. That's optional. If you don't like heat, you don't have to use it. I'll be using some Slap Your Mama seasoning just to season my meat. And I have the crab meat here. I already opened it and started eating a little bit of this because I love it, and you can just eat it off the can, from the can if you want. But this is real crab meat and this is claws. So I'm gonna go ahead and shred it a little more before I start mixing it into the mayonnaise. And I'll be grating a little bit of Gouda cheese. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright guys, so to get started you want to definitely make sure that cream cheese is at room temperature. Otherwise it will be very hard to try to get it to be to mix for you. Now I'm going to take some of that crab meat, a couple teaspoons. I mean really you can put as much as you want. Okay, and I'm going to put in some Tabasco sauce just because I like mine a little spicy. And remember the crab meat already have a little bit of salt in it, so you don't need a lot of salt. My Slap Your Mama have a little bit of salt, but it also have a nice little heat to it. Put a little bit of that. And I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper, even though I forgot to mention it to you guys. So a little bit of black pepper. And now I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice. I saved half of the lemon just so I can squeeze it on top of it when it's done. And I'm going to put a little bit of fresh parsley and grate a little bit of that Gouda cheese, not too much. Okay, and we will be grating a little bit more on top of the salmon. Now all you want to do is mix everything together while you are breaking the crab meat just a little more. Okay, I could actually eat this on its own, but I better save it to put in the salmon. Okay, I like to taste a little bit of it. Just how I like it. Have a little bit of heat to it. Nice and creamy. So we are going to set this to the side. Okay, now you want to go ahead and grab your salmon, and I already went ahead and made a little pocket on the side. All I did was took my knife and cut right on the center, but make sure it does not go all the way through. Make sure the skin is still there, that it's not ripped or anything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take some Slap Your Mama seasoning. Just lightly sprinkle it on top of my salmon and on the back of my salmon. Again, make sure that cut don't come all the way through. As you can see, the back is still don't have any holes in it. So now we wanna widen it up and just stuff inside that salmon. Of course you're gonna have some just laying right on top, but you want to stuff the inside as much as possible. Okay, and then just put the rest on top. I made this for my anniversary dinner, you guys, and it was just absolutely delicious. I had this with some potato or gratin, which I do have a video up on this channel for you guys, so it should pop on top of this video so you guys can click. And I put it on top. I laid the salmon on top of some asparagus, which I do have a video also of how to make asparagus, so you guys make sure you check out those videos. So now I have an iron skillet that that's already greased with some olive oil. I always keep my iron skillets greased. So I'm going to place that right in my iron skillet, and you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we are going to bake this for 20 minutes or until the top is nice and golden brown. Alright guys, my salmon is all done baking. Now I'm going to take a little bit of lemon juice and just squeeze right on top of it as soon as it came out of the oven. Okay, and I'm going to take the rest of my parsley flakes and just put it right on top. This looks so gorgeous. Again, I ate this with some scalloped potatoes and asparagus, and it was absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut into a piece. And as you can see, my salmon is flaking. That's when you know that it is done. And I'm going to take just a little bit of this because I want to make sure I take a nice picture at the end for you guys. Okay. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram and go like my Facebook page, and also go check out my Snapchat so you can snap with me. I will leave the link for all those down in the description box for you guys to check out. That lemon juice on top just does the job to this salmon. This dish is so easy to make, guys. You can make this for an anniversary, birthday, or just to have on a nice Sunday or whatever meal that you want. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.